Hey Dozer, are you guarding the guard? I put the ladder down on my asparagus to protect it. Welcome to Shonda Flips. I am ill. My throat hurts. And I don't have very much energy to do a lot, so I'll just take you on a quick garden tour. Hope you like it. As soon as these onions pop up, I can put some cloth down and mulch it in real good. So hopefully we keep the weeds down around the onions. These potatoes need... Can you see the beet babies? And a weed. We're back with some chamomile vanilla. Anyway, I hope you really liked it. The birds are out and beautiful. My babies are asleep, and I'm just enjoying the last bit of the day. Leave a comment. Tell me what you're doing tonight. Hopefully you're not ill too. I have a bunch of ideas for content coming up. I just haven't had the energy to do it. So, until next time, thank you very much for hanging out with me. Bye.